Welcome back, folks. So we're going to try this one again. I started putting the brakes back together on the rear of the Scrambler and no joy, the brakes binding again. So it turned out, if you've seen Instagram, this caliper is totaled. So the pistons are pushed back now, but there was quite a significant amount of effort to do so. It's quite badly corroded on the side of the, well, it's the body of the caliper that's actually corroded. You probably could go with a rebuild, but also because I'm relocating the caliper to the top rather than underneath, so it doesn't fill up with loads of rubbish. It turns out the bleed nipple is actually then in the wrong place. It's not the highest point on the caliper. But for that, it turns out the early Triumph America has the same casting in terms of mounting points, takes the same pads, but the bleed nipple is in the right place because it's mounted in the correct orientation. So I found this as a replacement caliper. It cost me somewhere around £40. It had pads in which were in reasonable condition. Pistons look good. In general, the whole thing is pretty clean. Just doing a bit more of a clean up now. And no signs of any leaks or perishing on the dust seals or anything like that. So I'm going to give this a final clean up and then get this on the bike, hopefully bleed it, and we should have complete brakes, sprocket, final drive all done, and the bike ready to take for its MOT because that's due. So more cleaning. And there we have it, guys. One fully rebuilt caliper. Well, not fully rebuilt, but cleaned, inspected. It's got the new pads fitted. It's on the repaired and painted bracket. Repaired, cleaned bracket. So we just need to go and get that on the bike now. So let's go over there and get this finished up. And there we have it, folks. This Scrambler is finally back together now. I still need to bolt the seat on and I need to put the side panels back on. But for all intents and purposes, back brake works. Got no fouling on the drive line, so that seemed okay. And the wheel seems pretty happy. So a bit of cleaning, a few last little bits to bolt on, and then we are done. It's MOT time. So hopefully get MOT sorted and off on the next little jolly. Thanks for joining me on this one, guys. Really appreciate it. All the support. The new subscribers that are coming in seems to have picked up again quite a bit. So yeah, thank you for sticking around. There's plenty of varied content going on. Still welding the Roadster. MGB that is. V8 MGB GT is still ongoing. Scrambler will never ever be finished. Martin's sorting out some videos for the Morris 8, which I'm kind of doing as a bit of a sideline thing. I need to get a new battery for the BSA, which is hiding here. Get that back out on the road. It's something really exciting coming. Just waiting for a nice clear day, and yeah, we'll get that covered. So keep watching, guys. Click like, subscribe if you haven't done also already. Click the little notification bell, that will let you know of future uploads. And but thank you for watching, guys. Really appreciate it, and see you in the next one.